Hey guys, Eddie Davin back again in another video. I'm here at CP Solutions for a very special video. We're going to be going through a walkthrough of the Fujifilm PC1120, the Revoria series. And I'm here with Peter Chow, and he's going to be walking through the demo, but we also have a special guest. And you guys, this is the first time you're seeing this machine?
Exactly.
All right, so this is going to be a treat. There are two positions for the specialty colors. This is the underlay, and this is the overlay. The reason why I say underlay is because it will lay down this first, then these on top, and this is the last color it will lay on. So we're going to be changing this out from the silver to the pink, and we'll be back in a minute, guys. All right, guys, we're back. The pink is installed, and I'm here with Tommy, and he's going to show us how it all works. All right, so we just printed out some examples to show you guys how the pink works in this machine. And it's not just pink, but it's multiple colors. So yeah, there's pink, and that's primarily just the base color. But when you start mixing in the other colors, the CMYK, then you can actually obtain a lot more brighter gamut colors. And this hits the PMS colors more.
Yes.
And that's the idea, right? So to do this though, what's the best file to send? CMYK or RGB?
So they both work. So the main purpose of pink for Fuji is to increase the gamut. So CMYK will never be able to hit RGB space colors. RGB is used for photographs, your phone, anything you see on a monitor, that's all RGB. So CMYK plus pink increases the space gamut, so it allows more vibrant and more color accurate.
So you don't need to convert the file to CMYK, you send the RGB file directly.
Yes.
That's what it is.
And that allows you to do the, what Fuji calls AI, to do the auto enhancements.
So far, it's very unique. I never knew that we can convert CMYK to actually pop. And since that school, we were not taught so much about like print as much. It was interesting to see how it comes together. The idea of metallic print combining with the other colors, being gold, silver, and many more, and how it makes a huge difference even with a change of just a few colors is pretty dynamic.
So these are comparisons. So I'm showing one with CMYK and pink, and then one with CMYK only. What do you guys think of this?
It is a drastic difference. So, I mean, even with the type, because now it looks like it's glowing, and like the logo on the eyes, I feel like this is more concentrated for some reason. But like obviously the hair itself,
much more saturated, more vibrant.
right?
And then just to do this though, like you don't need to do anything with a file. Like you don't have to do
Just
special swatches.
Two buttons. I enable the special color, which is the pink,
Yeah.
and I turn on the AI,
So it's
the
just
RGB
like
simulation.
one setting and done, and it does it automatically. Oh, that's awesome.
Yes,
Oh,
I
okay.
found this on my USB. It's talking about the color gamuts.
Oh.
Graco is the industry standard for the prepress.
Mm.
So you can see that's the color space.
Yeah.
And with the pink, it expands way beyond it.
What do you guys think?
Amazing.
And this is just, you know, we're showing you some of the stuff. I mean, there's other stuff like the clear toner.
Yes.
There's the texture. This is such an amazing machine. I'm glad we were able to come here, and I'm glad you guys were able to learn something today.
It was really fun to look at the different, like the Fujifilm printers. They showed us this specific one. They have like a different undertone and overtone as well, other than the CMYK, which makes possible to make the colors more saturated on print and also make it metallic, which is really fun actually. They were actually able to show us a difference, how the regular CMYK print looks like and how it looks like with a metallic overprint on it. We also saw the pink extra color, which makes the print just more saturated and colorful. It provides the range of a CMYK, which is also really fun.
Thank you, Tommy, for showing us and everybody here this amazing new technology. And to the rest of us, tell us what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.